everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making this lovely little bow. It is bow number 109 from Miss O on Etsy. That is the template. So let me give you guys one look at it. The supplies you're going to need are the template. I will link it down below. I imported the SVG file into Cricut and just cut it out in Cricut. You're going to need faux leather glitter canvas for your bow pieces. Mine are already pre-cut. Scissors. You're going to need a glue gun and the clip of your choice. This one is a 3-inch alligator clip. Now the the bow is in 5 pieces. These are the back 2 spikes. You have the top loop and the second loop, as well as the center, and you're going to need your clip as well. You guys know I love to put my spikes together first, so that is exactly what we are going to do. Take your clip and run a line of glue across it, and then attach it to the back of the base spike. I will be leaving links for all of these supplies to, all of these all of the faux leather and glitter canvas and the clear vinyl. I'll leave links to where you guys can find those so that you can recreate this bow. And then add a little bit of glue to your clip, making sure that it fully attaches to the back. Now, if you're going to use the clear vinyl, I would recommend not solely relying on hot glue for this. You're going to want to use E6000 with it as well. Add a line of hot glue, and then right underneath of the, sorry, that was out of camera. You're going to add a line of hot glue, and then right underneath of that, you are going to add a glob of the E6000. This helps ensure that it will stick properly. This material doesn't always stick with just hot glue. The hot glue will give it the initial tack, but the E6000 will be what gives the final hold. So those 2 pieces are taken care of, and we can put those aside. We're going to work on these pieces now. And like most of these bows, it is simply tab to tab. Tab to center. The jack prints are both from Fee-Fi Faux Leather, and I got the black and the stripe on Amazon in bulk rolls. But like I said, everything will be linked down below for you. And you're going to take these and match the curve here. And we're going to go around. This one I did not fully cut out. Okay. I was wondering why that piece looked a little odd. Let's quick fix that. I was like, that looks weird. That's why I didn't fully cut it out. Okay, and again, match the curve keep this curve the same. And sorry, that was my hot glue gun hitting the table because I knocked it over. And you're going to glue down the middle tab, but it is going to be even with here, so the middle is going to be slightly further out. All right, that one is done. Now we're going to glue these two pieces together. Oops. And we are going to add it to the bow here, but again, it doesn't always stick to this vinyl really well. So we are going to add a line of glue at the top, and then a little dab of E6000. You're going to pinch that to make sure that the hot glue has a chance to work. Do its magic, give the initial hold. And then you're going to bring the center wrap up and around. Making sure to pull as tight as you can. And glue off in the back. Cut off the excess and then come back through and just do your fluffing, because in the process everything is going to get squished. It's going to get squished. You're going to want to fluff up the loopy bits. And there you go. This is bow number 109 from Miss O. You see templates there. But this is bow 109 from Miss O. And here's the one in the beginning. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you liked this video, please click the like button. If you think somebody would be interested in it, click the share button. If you are not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and join us. And click the bell button right next to that, somewhere around there. And set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I upload every Monday. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down in the comment section. Make sure to check the description box for links to all of the supplies, and I will link the supplies for the white and gold faux leather, glitter canvas as well for you guys. If you have any video suggestions, please leave those down in the comment section as well. Make sure to go and show some love to Miss O. This is not a this is not a sponsored video, but I do really love her templates. I use a lot of them and they are really good quality. So I would go give her some love. Make sure to buy templates from her. She usually runs sales frequently, so you're going to get a really good deal on these. Again, this is not sponsored. I just really, really like her, and she has great templates. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.